Welcome back everyone to viralstocks.io. Guys, we have a few stocks to talk about in today's video that have went up anywhere from 30 to 50% that you had massive opportunities to capitalize on some of those gains, including stocks we have been talking about now for a few weeks. So hopefully you guys were able to make out huge. But first here, guys, a shout out to all of our subscribers to our alerts. You guys are making absolute bank. The stock we talked about just yesterday, what we sent out as an alert to our subscribers, is now up over 10% just in the last couple of days here. We also have had a 20, 30, and even a 180% winner, all just in the last probably 1 month now. So shout out to everyone, shout out to our subscribers who are subscribed to viralstocks.io and are getting all those free stock alerts, because you guys are absolutely killing it. And hey, even you guys here, part of the YouTube channel, are making money as well, as a lot of our stocks have been killing it lately. So shout out to all of you guys. And if you guys want to be a part of viralstocks.io and all of our free stock alerts, make sure you head over to viralstocks.io or just click the link in the description, or it will be pinned in the first comment, where you can simply type in your email address here. Just type in your email, click yes, send me stock alerts, and you will be subscribed to our completely free stock alerts, and you will get them every time we send them out, right? Now, I also highly advise you to head to the next page where you can download our free penny stock ebook to see how we pick these penny stocks, and then also put in your phone number. Text messages are way faster, way more efficient, way more reliable to get these stock alerts, so make sure you do that so you're able to get these alerts sent straight to your phone. Like I said, our alerts have been killing it lately. 10% is still an insane win within a relatively short amount of time, and sometimes we're able to achieve those winners that are over 100% gains. So those are absolutely awesome. Now, of course, none of us are financial advisors whatsoever. We cannot guarantee any of this, so make sure and do your own research first. They're simply alerts to send to you so you can look at them and check them out. If you like the opportunity, you can take it, but none of it is financial advice whatsoever. But anyways, guys, shout out to all you guys, and I hope to see you all over there on our alerts to get our next stock alert. We have one coming up next week, as long as price action meets the catalyst, which meets what shows up on our scanner, I should say. Then we will be sending that stock out as an alert at the bell at 9:30, so you guys can get in before the rest of the crowd. But anyways, guys, let's get into this video. And the first thing I want to do before we get into some of those stocks is I want to do some TA on MULN, because we have been doing this and I want to show you it again. So in the last video, guys, I was able to tell you that there is a critical resistance point here at $3.62, right? And as you can see, MULN went up pretty close to that $3.60 mark or so, and it got rejected once again. I told you guys, we are waiting for MULN to cleanly break this $3.62 mark, where it could then start going up heavily. Well over $4 and $5 per share would be some of the next technical levels of resistance, right? But it didn't, and I said if it gets rejected, run some puts, right? If you guys were able to run some puts on this stock, or even just we're able to run some puts, then as you can see, they definitely printed, as this stock is pulling back heavily now because it got rejected once again. That's twice it got rejected here, and it has in the past. So look out for $3.62 for MULN. We will be talking about this stock more, I'm sure, coming up, because it is extremely hot and also has been one of our biggest winners here on the channel. We rode this stock from 80 cents to over $4 per share. So shout out to everyone that was able to get in on that. But anyways, a stock that I want to talk about here is ticker symbol GFAI. This stock is up 18% on the day. Over the last 5 days, it is up almost 70%. And this is a stock that we have been talking about a few times here over the last couple of weeks. So if you were able to capitalize on this opportunity, shout out to all of you guys. So let's go over some of the news here that made this stock jump. So it says, Guardforce AI announces year-end 2021 financial results. Now, honestly, there's nothing too great in all these results. I think investors were just hyped to see it, right? So they closed their initial public offering. They had a nice gross proceeds of about $15 million. They entered into some agreements to acquire 100% equity interest in these three companies here, robotic companies. They also hit major company milestones, and they announced a US expansion. So obviously all good things there, nothing crazy, no massive catalyst, but it was able to really jump up this stock price, as investors were pretty happy. Now, in addition, what we saw a few days ago on March 29th was that the company is expanding into Dubai and Australia. Now, this is even more bullish than those financial results, and I'll get into why here in just a minute. So It says an integrated security solutions provider today announced the company is in the process of establishing subsidiaries in Dubai and Australia with a focus on robotics as a service. So this is going to be a rollout, and it's going to roll out slowly here, but the company's expanded presence in Dubai is an important strategic opportunity for GuardForce AI, as it is one of the fastest growing economies, and obviously, if you know anything about Dubai, is one of the most innovative cities in the entire world, and I think could be, if not the richest city in the entire world. Correct me if I'm wrong on that, but it is in the top 10 cities on the Global Financial Centuries Index in 2019. Additionally, the Dubai government is increasingly enhancing the city with innovative technologies such as AI, blockchain, 3D printing, and the Internet of Things. I've heard before that Dubai wants to be the best and biggest at everything, of buildings, you name it, all that stuff. So you can believe they're definitely on a lot of these initiatives, and Dubai is a great place for GuardForce AI to start establishing subsidiaries and start doing business, right? That is absolutely great. So 2 pieces of news there for GuardForce that was able to achieve over 60% gain just in the last 5 days. Now, the next stock that I want to talk about here is ticker symbol HUSN, or Hudson Capital, another stock that we've been talking about for quite a while. We're able to achieve a 31% gain on the day here, as you can see, literally just straight up. And that was on some news that they were selling their Chinese unit. So as we can see, the Hudson Capital Incorporated stock price rallied 32.6% after revealing that it had sold its wholly owned subsidiary Hong Kong Internet Financial Services to private investors. So obviously investors were very bullish on this news. They like this, probably with all the China FUD going around for months and months and months now. So this was definitely bullish for Hudson Capital, and as you can see, it made the stock rally about 31% just in the last 1 day. So super good stuff right there. Now, moving on to a couple more stocks on this list. It's quite funny. We're going to get to some stocks here that we just have no idea why they rallied, right? And we like to talk about those as well, because you don't necessarily, catalysts help, right? Catalysts are great. And when you can confirm catalysts with price action and they show up on your scanner as a low float runner, all those different things, then yeah, they can really, really rally, right? But sometimes you don't even need to see that news, and that's what we're going to talk about next. But ticker symbol MN here did actually have some good stuff going for it, and that is that it was acquired by Calodyne Group, hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, at $12.85 per share, right? And this was just 5 hours ago, which made this stock obviously jump to pretty close to that price where it was acquired. As you can see, a 43% increase. So shout out to everyone that was able to be a part of this. We did not catch this. The news was way too quick. But the next stock on today's list is that one, up 40% today, up almost 90%, almost 100% at its highs. And truly, I can't find any news why this stock went up, right? So it's pretty comical to see things like that when we just have no idea when the stock rallied. But as you can see, the stock absolutely did great, and it has been one to do great in the past, right? So this stock will definitely be on our watch list moving forward here, so we can try and catch any opportunities that present itself. Wow, I mean, almost over a 90% days if you go low to high there, but many opportunities to catch it in between here. So that was obviously such a great opportunity. But anyways, guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. Remember, if you want to be a part of, obviously we catch some great stocks on this channel, no doubt. IMPP, INDO, CEI, you name it, MULN, NILE, GFAI now, HUSN. We catch some great stocks on this channel, but where the real money is made is with our subscribers, and we are not allowed to talk about those stocks here on this channel because we save them strictly for our subscribers. So if you guys want to be a part of the community, want to get these free stock alerts like 10, 20, 30, all the way up to over 100% gains within a very short amount of time. I'm talking anywhere from 5 minutes sometimes to, sometimes to a day or two, but that is about it, right? So if you guys want to be a part of that, then make sure and head to viralstocks.io, enter in your email, download our free penny stock book, and then ultimately enter in your phone number so you guys can get these alerts extremely fast. Understand, we are not financial advisors, not financial advice. These stocks that we send out, do your own research and then get into them at your own risk, right? We cannot guarantee anything, right? So I just want to make sure and highlight that. But anyways, guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed, smash that like button and leave me a comment down below what stock you're looking at. What's a nice low float runner that you guys are looking at lately? And as always, guys, I will see you in the next video.